Why this house they give Madam Monica sleepless nights? Be say, I know say a lot of people don't know the truth, but I'm coming out to tell you the truth today. Why this house they give Madam Monica sleepless night? Now because of say Madam Monica no say him now no buy his own house. Now renter.
Hey, wey, wahala be like bicycle wey no get brake. Hey, na wow. Table leg don break finish. My people, I put this video for una una watch. This lady that they call am boss lady. This video wey she do, e say she no understand why Monica no dey sleep again because of Lolo house. He say he say whether we know one thing, he say make she come tell us the truth. He say the truth wey she wan tell us so. He say na because of say Lolo buy house, Monica no buy. Because Monica dey live na rent na Monica dey. Hey, she talk many things for the video. I go put am on and lis ten because una know say many people dem no be like Dundee, dem no be Ozuo, dem no be mumu. We know say some mumu still dey. When e go come so something like this wey e be say the other side no come see, no come get peace again. Even when she even go school sef, she even dey talk am say even the teacher come dey call am, her brain don even kukuma comot for another person house wey person buy. So maybe you talk am small, you comot for there. But her own, she no talk am small. Ona wa mo go till next tomorrow. Then she still dey carry dey go. Na make this woman come do this video because the thing come tire am say, if you like your fake life, just dey leave am dey go. Nobody even care to ask you na wetin you like. They say fake life, say e dey expensive, you know. But because of wetin we wey be say we dey tell them say make dem no dey live fake life. Na because of other people wey be say wey dem go see them, dem go dey fight with their husband for his house. Say hey, you no see that one, wetin that one do for him husband or him wife, why you no go fit do am? Na im dey cause am because some people brain e dey very very soft, e dey very very easy to twist, to turn upside down. Na im be the problem wey dey. Make I put this video for una, una watch, una lis ten to wetin she talk. She talk many things for inside that video. Alright, una no forget to follow my page Untouchable Mama, backup me Untouchable Mama. Then follow me on my YouTube Unto Mama TV. Na me still get am. God bless you all. Help me to like and love this video, share to your friend. Una still leave una opinion about wetin she talk about Monica and Lolo for this issue wey be say e dey ground. Una bye bye for now.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Message to Mama Monica. Mama Monica, I see the video then where you dey upload. You dey upload different type of video because of Lolo matter. Lolo matter they give you sleepless night. Because of waiting, because of Lolo come outside say them buy house. Now the house on they see for my screen, so the house where Lolo say in husband Igwe buy. Now the house now they give Madam Monica sleepless night. Why this house they give Madam Monica sleepless night? Be say, I know say a lot of people don't know the truth, but I'm coming out to tell you the truth today. Why this house they give Madam Monica sleepless night? Now because of say Madam Monica no say him now no buy his own house. Now renter. So now normal fake life where everybody they live online. Now him Madam Monica live. Now the way me take think am, the way I take think am, now I take talk so. Now the normal fake life where they live for inside social media. Now him make that house where Lolo tossing na his husband buy and come dey pay am for body. Say no. I go take day, I no buy my own house. I just fake am for the social media. You now come and you want me everybody believe you. You can't to say now your husband buy the house. And me now fake my own say na me buy am. Now the social media money now I take buy am. Now so the matter take play. But Sister Monica now no one rest. Sister Monica now can't do video to the extent they take hand they eat in chairs. I read that Juni, they eat in chairs say I go bring the proof say this lady no buy this house now rent the renter. So now the video them now come they see. I don't see a lot of video. I said the time where I go get time, I go pass message, give this my big mommy, Sister Monica. I respect you a lot, but I need to talk. I not go see something man remove my face. I go talk. Sister, I still come across one video where you do nana, where you dey chop cowfish pepper soup. You can't still tossing now. Only you be the landlady where they for UK. Sister Moku, stop all these things. A lot of people, they follow on her. Then they run race where they're not supposed to run. Then they run race where they're not supposed to run. So teach people what you want them to teach them what you want them to do. That is what you are doing. Don't teach them the bad side. Teach them what you are doing. Tell them things that will make their life better tomorrow, not what you will tell them what will make their life do not better tomorrow. Because of your second now, your paddy come buy house, it come they hurt you for body. That thing they hurt you. You don't lose like 5 pounds of blood come off for your body as you take this so. When you give them to Lolo, to say you buy, everybody rest. We believe say you buy. Your car on the showcase, one particular tribe on a like copy. I don't know why, and I don't want to measure that tribe. I don't want to measure on a like copy. If one person do something, on I won't do them. If one person do something, on I won't do them. That's all life day. Why on I know they wait for on a time? On I go run one day, go run, enter trailer mats. If on I not be careful, on I go run, go enter trailer mats. You where you feel believe in yourselves as a woman, say you buy house for UK. Why you not believe Lolo? Say Lolo, now your husband buy that house. Why you not believe her? Say na your husband buy that house. All the house all of on the showcase now you can't find reach my home. Now the one where me go check this money where I buy. I don't already sign the paper, sign the document. Now I'm on the see for my screen mode. Check this my house. Check Lolo home. Go Monica page. May you check Monica house. Who shall find pass inside? On a say now only on a sabi play fake life. All of us we sabi and we just they live waiting we supposed to live because of fake life. No, they favor anybody. I can never mislead anybody for my life. Now the kind of things when I want, as I want me my life be, now I go want me my fellow woman be life be. I will never teach them bad thing. Now in be that now I'm not gonna check the house. My house now where I go check, where I don't sign, collect the document. If you really need the documents, now there for my front, so I go carry the document of my house when I go sign this morning. She be on a no see document carry come aside. More na see the house where me buy. On a see the house where me buy. Now I dey see so. I don't feel am. I don't sign am. The house don't belongs to me. So very soon I go pack from here. Now I go pack go there. There's some I give them so tight me they take finish the house before we pack go that big house. From the hopo reach the dano. Now me get everything. On a no see if fire you come the front of train station. Olodo. Everybody in the column of fake life will leave. On a no go let person rest. Person buy house. Let's just talk, Sister Monica. Let's talk. Sister Monica, there's one thing I want you to learn today. Believe anybody that lied to you. Believe in. Believe anybody that lied to you. As you tell lie to the world, a lot of people believe in you. Why can't you believe on your fellow sister? Why can't you believe? Because we will believe in you. And you too, you have to believe on that the same lady. As I take this place, so anything when you tell me I dey believe, oh, as far as now this your mouth, you open and you take talk, say, I get 3 house. I believe say you get her. If you can't lie, now your head you dey lie for. Not be me. I swear, if you dey lie for your head. If you tell me what you not be, say now you be. I swear that moment I don't believe. And anybody when I see, I go to say this sister, not try am, she gets 10 billion because she use the matter tell me say now so money now she gets. So we believe in you, Monica. You have to believe on the rest people. So now they play this kind of this. We sabi play the game now. Okay, Sister Monica, drag on with me now. Leave Lolo side, drag on with me. I never worked since I reached Germany. And this is the 60 years. 6 years now. I be going to 6 years where I don't spend for Germany. See the house where I buy. How many years you spend for UK where you take buy your own house? How many years Lolo spend where Lolo take buy home? So let's drag it together. It's a game. Fake life is very, very sweet. The way Blessing CEO TikTok and say fake life is dey expensive. It dey very, very expensive. You know waka where waka before I go video this house call. You know the place where waka before I call my high can go say now this house na ain't good to use. Make I use them. Fake life go kill a lot of people for the media.